Okay, I'm doing this thing. See that? Maybe. I don't know. I think they're dumb, but anyway. I'm trying to make this flower box. It's gonna have a heart top on it. And this thing is double compound cut. So you can see the shape of the front, shape of the back. Something I've never done in all my years of carpentry is a double compound cut. So we're going to see how this goes. I got to cut. This is my pattern. I got these 4 pieces marked out. So see how it goes. You can see that or not, but that's what the saw looks like. It's all like jackpot shape to me, but so I'm going to try to put you guys on this. So I can cut a couple here. This way. Watch what I'm doing. So that's a good idea to put this on there. That way you can not chop your hands off. So I'm on light. Hope you can see that. So we're gonna do that more times. 4. Now we're gonna see if we can get them put together. All right, hang on. It's the bottom. Good on it, be covered up. I gotta say, it's a pain in the ass. So I'm not sure if I'm putting this in the Lands challenge or something else. I was going to ask him if you can have more than 2 hunters. Well, never heard that happen before. Oh, I might have shortcuts in there. I never thought about that. I do. Let's try this again. show yet. There you are, little flower box. Alright, y'all, that's what I got for today. Thanks for watching.